Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you about diet planning in surgery. Surgery is a medical specialty that uses operative manual or instrumental techniques to treat a person who is undergoing any disease condition or to treat certain conditions such as gallstones or appendicitis. Diet plan in surgery depends upon the person's recovery stage. If the person has undergone a major surgery, then diet is introduced after 24 hours or 48 hours depending on the tolerance of the patient. But if the person has undergone a minor surgery, like a surgery after accidents or a minor wound which is cured by a simple surgery procedure. So in this type of surgeries, in minor surgeries, we can introduce diet readily after 4 hours of the surgery, that is post-surgery. So during that, first we have to give a clear liquid diet. If and when tolerated by the patient, we have to follow it with a full fluid diet after 24 hours. Then if the patient can tolerate the full fluid diet, we have to provide a soft diet. Then if the person is able to tolerate the soft diet, then we can introduce normal diet to his diet and we can continue with that. Also in surgery, a high calorie, high protein diet should be given. Protein should be given in abundant amount as protein will help in healing the wound. Also vitamin C should be provided along with iron. Also in surgery, adequate amount of vitamins and minerals should be provided in the diet. There are two stages, that is pre-operative and post-operative. In the pre-operative diet, we follow more or less the same as the post-operative. That is, if it is a major surgery, 24 hours prior, we will 24 to 48 hours prior, we will provide clear liquid diet to the patient. Then for time of 24 to 48 hours, we will keep him nil by mouth, that is, he will not be allowed to take anything orally. This happens in a major surgery. And if it is a minor surgery, then before 6 hours, we will keep the patient nil by mouth. And before that, we have to provide him with a balanced diet. That is, we have to see that pre-operative diet should be rich in calories, rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. This is about the pre-operative diet, and in post-operative diet, the diet will follow according to the tolerance level of the patient. So in the later part of this video, we will see a clear fluid recipe which can be given to a post-surgical patient, and the recipe is a rich source of antioxidants like vitamin C and iron. Vitamin C is very much essential for post-surgery since it helps in wound healing. So let us see the recipe. Now, to start with the making of clear liquid diet in surgery, I have taken the ingredients fresh pomegranate and guava. Guava is a rich source of vitamin C, and after surgery, vitamin C is required for healing. Also, pomegranate is a rich source of iron. So, after surgery, if the person suffers from any blood loss, or during surgery, if he has suffered from blood loss, iron will help in healing. Combination of these two as a juice would be a great healer for post-surgery patients. First of all, we'll wash the fruits properly to remove any dirt. After peeling the pomegranate and the guava, now I will grind it to make a juice. So now I will put these fruits into this mixture grinder and then we'll grind it. I will add little water to it. Now we will grind it. The juice is prepared. Now I will pour it into this glass. mixing of guava and pomegranate has changed the color. As you can see that this juice is thick and contains the pulp. Since I am preparing it for post-surgery patients, so I will strain the thick juice and make it into clear liquid. So, after straining, we can see that only the clear liquid is present in the glass. As already said, this juice is a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins like vitamin C and minerals, that is iron. So, this as a whole will help in the healing process of the post-surgery patient.